Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick shout out. Thank you to everyone who's been watching our cruise videos. MSC Meraviglia, Carnival Freedom. We've done our best to show you guys all the food, all the service, everything that's good and bad about these two ships. This video, we wanted to show the staterooms from the Carnival Freedom, as well as the beautiful MSC Meraviglia. Now, please keep in mind when we're comparing these two staterooms that the room on the MSC is a disabled / wheelchair accessible room, which gave us a larger balcony. And while we really love that balcony, it will not be available to every single balcony room that you may book on the MSC Meraviglia. Other than that, the stateroom should all look the same on both ships. So with that, let's get into it.
So as you can see here, the Meraviglia has a bunk bed at the top, a lot of foot space, really high quality furnishings, really modern.
And both have king size beds.
Yes.
If you see on Carnival Freedom, we're in the bathroom now, kind of tight.
Very tight.
There is no doors for the showers. It's curtains. On actually both bathrooms were shower curtains. So water tended to get everywhere.
The thing is with the Meraviglia, most rooms actually have a glass shower door, but because this is wheelchair accessible, they had the curtain and it is a lot larger. So don't think that all of the bathrooms are going to be that large. Now for the Carnival, as you can see, there's a sofa bed and the king size bed. There was a TV that had multiple channels where the Meraviglia did not.
Both rooms had safes. Both rooms had ample space, closet space. The Freedom though had towel animals, and we did not have any on the MSC, and I was very surprised and a bit disappointed, to tell you the truth.
Wah, wah, wah. Me too. It's always fun to come to the room and get that little towel animal, but I mean, it's not a deal breaker.
The Carnival Freedom, as you see, had a fridge, and the MSC Meraviglia had a mini bar, which was cool if you wanted something
in there. And now, if you notice, there's a sort of tarp on top of the bed. For those that don't know what that is, it's so that you put your luggage on there and don't dirty your sheets or covers. Listen, I didn't know what that was for, honestly. So there you go.
So on the MSC here, you see the bunk bed, which was very comfortable for my child. And we're actually looking at the port side view in Cape Canaveral on the Freedom. Beautiful balcony view. Both balconies had amazing views. No complaints there whatsoever.
No, and what we learned is if you do want that kind of view and see the ports, you need to actually, book on the...
Try to get in the middle of the ship.
Middle of the ship, on the right side of the ship, port side.
MSC, as you can see there, we got that little tarp thing again. All the furnishings, as mentioned, it was just a newer, and it just seemed more high class. Here's the beautiful balcony view that we had on the MSC.
We had loungers, chairs, a little footstool, and we took a nice nap on that.
And the deck was cleaner.
Much cleaner.
The Carnival Freedom had spit on the windows and water residue and dust everywhere, where the MSC Meraviglia was just overall
immaculate.
Cleaner. The room and the deck itself. So in our opinion, we would say the MSC Meraviglia wins in the cleanliness department.
Cleanliness.
And the comfort department as well.
Comfort department for the stateroom, for the balcony stateroom. It was just wonderful, comfy. I had the best sleep there.
And just keep in mind, no towel animals. And we never met our stewardess or steward that cleaned the rooms.
Not that made any difference because the rooms were always clean. So, winner is
MSC
Meraviglia.
Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.